Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by ensuring the essentials are ready: VS Code and a shell. Install PowerShell, Git Bash, or ZSH, then open VS Code and press Ctrl+ to open the terminal. Once done, invoke the command palette and choose Terminal. Select Default Shell so the integrated terminal launches with the shell you expect. This makes commands behave consistently. Make sure your shell is accessible in your system path, so VS Code can discover it without extra configuration. Now you'll configure the middle layer options that control behavior. Open Settings, JSON, and define Terminal. Integrated. Profiles with entries for Bash, ZSH, PowerShell, or Git Bash, then set Terminal. Integrated. Default profile to your choice. Once done, tweak Terminal. Integrated. Font family, cursor style, and scroll back to improve readability and history length. You can also pass environment variables in Terminal. Integrated. Env. Asterisk to shape runtime behavior. Finally, add keyboard shortcuts or tasks that finish by saving settings globally or per workspace so your terminal is reproducible across projects. Test the setup with quick commands like echo $shell, node v, and git version to confirm the right binaries are found. Make sure Terminal. Integrated. CWD is correct for project launches. If something goes wrong, reload the window, open Help right arrow toggle developer tools to look for errors, and verify your path and shell executable paths. This single troubleshooting step resolves most discovery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.